Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Striker review. Guys, Striker basically a cloud-based software. Creator of this software is Striker Venkata Ramana, and this software goes live on 16th of June 11 am EST. Right now I'm in the sales space of this software Striker. Guys, this is my honest review. I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software Striker that no one can share with you. So don't skip this video. So what actually is Striker? Guys, Striker is a AI powered app that exploits YouTube and finds hidden money pockets that we leverage to instantly hijack 3,457 targeted clicks for free, making us $896.34 a day without creating or uploading any videos, no ads, no SEO, no waiting. So how actually works this software? I'm going to show the full details, guys. Okay, is this software is legit or scam? I'm going to show you also all of this. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Right now I'm just going to jump the pricing and OTOs of this software, guys. Okay, I'm going to show the pricing. The pricing of this software, the front end price is only $17, but OTO number one is unlimited edition $39. This is the OTO number one. And this software, Striker software, have lots of OTOs, guys. I'm going to show you all the OTOs. You can see the JV page, that means joint venture page. Affiliates are comes here and they collect information about this software Striker, and they make video, review video, or they actually promote this software with their blog to write a blog post. Okay, and here is, you can see the pricing and OTOs. Also they have shared demo. OTO number one, upgrade number one is $47, guys. Upgrade number two is $197. You can see the pricing. Okay, and upgrade number three is $67. Upgrade number four is $67. Upgrade number five is $127. Upgrade number six is $47. Upgrade number seven is $67. Upgrade number eight is $127. This software have lots of OTOs, guys. If you buy this software only front end offer, you will get this a dashboard, but you never access this software main features. Okay, when you try to access main features, you need to upgrade. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything, guys, that no one can share with you. This is the creator. He actually launched lots of software on Warrior Plus, but the maximum software are scam. Okay, you never get paid if you use this type of software like Striker. Okay guys, if you want to really make money from online, then you can purchase the legit guy course or a legit affiliate marketer course, okay, that you can find on internet. You can also check out in the video descriptions below. I already put 2 or 3 links. Okay guys, you know Rose Minseb is one of the best affiliate marketer on ClickBank. He actually launched his software, his product, basically not software. I'm just going to show you roseminseb.com. When you click here Rose Minseb, you can see the commission jump start, guys. Okay, just click here, get instant access. If you want to really make money $300 to $700 per day, you can buy this training course, Rose Minseb training course, commission jump start. This person have 12 years experience on inline industry. So if you purchase this, the commission jump start training course, they will teach you everything step by step. Guys, consider the link in my video descriptions below. You can see the full details about commission jump start. Okay, and the underground way, and Rose Minseb will give you $100 with 100% cashback if you fail this method. Okay, so no problem. I know personally him, this guy Rose Minseb. he is one of the best affiliate marketer also. Okay guys, I'm just back in the software that's called is Striker. Why this is not worthy software, I'm going to show you also the full details. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Here is the dashboard. You can see very simple, very fancy dashboard. Okay, this is not worthy software. And how basically this software works: when just you click on integration, you at first integrate your YouTube channel, and then you can search here. When you click here, you can see the search videos. This software is very slow. Okay, because this is not a good software. Why I claim this is not a good software? I already show you this software have lots of OTOs, but this is the pointless software guys. Okay, this is the pointless software, believe me. This is the pointless software. This software is not worth you. This software is not profitable for you. If you want to really make money from online, you can try commission jumpstart. Link in my video description below. I recommend you. Also, you can purchase it, and a full review link in my video description below. This is not loading right now, guys. I'm trying to load this site, but this is not loading right now. You can see guys, when you click here search videos, you can see the search videos. When just put your keyword, and you can see your keyword related video. This video comes from YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. But and right now this software actually a middleman. You can contact the video person who never share the affiliate link on their video description box. Okay, so you can contact the person. Hey guys, I want to share my affiliate link with your video description box, and when I get sales, you will get a commission, like 50-50 commission. Okay, and this is the way, and this way basically works this software is Striker guys. I hope you understand. Okay, but this is the not a valuable way. This is not a profitable way to get paid. Okay, okay guys, and here is you can see the drive traffic. Just register. When you click here register, they will redirect their another software. This is another software that launched Venkata Ramana, and you can see the color like same Striker and Sparks. Okay, the same software, they actually edit the name. Okay, and here is the login options, the upgrade. When you click here upgrade, you can see the upgrade options about this software. This is not work right now. Okay, and here is the training section. When you click here, this is the very basic training they will provide. Okay guys, and the support section, not a preferred support they will provide guys, and you can log out this software. And this is very basic software they actually share with you, and they actually steal your money if you purchase this kind of software, because this software have lots of audios. Yeah, at first you buy the front end offer, then they will push, you can buy the OTO number 1, then they pushed, you can buy OTO number 2, then they pushed, you can buy OTO number 3, then the pushed OTO number you can buy, and that's why they will push you buy everything by the full OTOs. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you the confusion, another confusion of this software. You can see the 90-day money back guarantee on the sales page. This is the sales page, and these all are the fake testimonial guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you the confusion, another confusion creating this software sales page. Okay guys, this is my honest review. That's why you can share this video with your friends and family who actually buy this kind of software, BS software. Okay, and they lose actually their money. So you can like my video, that will help me to get more views, and they will also send you bonus guys, but this is not a legit bonus. You can buy a bonus from plr.com, and this all are fake person guys. Okay, so This is my 100% honest review, guys. And here as you can see, 365-day money back guarantee, all the risk they removed, but you can see the button 90-day money back guarantee. Okay guys, you can see the confusion. I hope you fully understand why I never recommend you to purchase this software Striker. I hope you fully enjoy this video, guys. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually buy this type of software. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the link on my description below. This commission jump start, at first it was free training, then you think this is the perfect for you, and 100% legit for it, guys, commission jump start. So you can purchase this course. The course price is $297. Price is a medium, but the product is very much high quality. I hope, guys, you can like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.